Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Language by Surendra sir. Before starting the class, I want to give thanks to all my viewers those who are watching regular my videos, and thank you for beautiful comment. Your comment encourage me every day to make a new videos for you. Now I am going to start the class. Today's topic is articles. Articles is very important topic in the grammar and very interesting topic. So first we discuss the articles. What is articles? The word a, an and the are called articles. A and an are indefinite articles, while the is definite article. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. Before vowel we use an. And consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M. N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So 21 consonant. Before consonant we use A. This is the important things we have to understand. We use A and an before countables in the singular number, like book. Book, the first word is B. B is the consonant, that is why we use A. Chair, the first letter is C. C is the consonant, so we use A. And these are countables. We can count book. Chair also. Tree, also we can count. So tree, first letter is T. So this is T is the consonant. So we use A. So we have to see this way. After that we use A or an. Apple. A is the first letter and A is the vowel. So we use an. This way you think. And A is the first letter and A is the vowel. So we use an. Iceland. I is the first letter and I is the vowel. So we use an. Note, if a word begins with a vowel but not a vowel sound, we use A before it. Okay? Now, for example, university. This first letter U sound is U. U sound is coming. That is why we use before university A. European. U. This E sound is not coming. U sound is coming. That is why we use A before European. So these are university, European are most important. So you understand why we use A. 1 rupee note. 1 W sound is coming. 1 W sound is coming. So we use A. Next, if some words begins with unsounded H, they also take an with them. For example, an honest boy, H. Unsounded, honest, H is not coming. Honest, I sound is coming. So we use an. Honorable person, an, H sound is not coming. A sound is coming. Honorable person. So we use an. An hour. So these are the important things you have to understand. Before this we use an. If in abbreviation of constant begin with a vowel sound, In abbreviation, if constant begins with a vowel sound, they take an with them. Suppose any given abbreviation means MA. M is the first letter, but sound is not coming. Sound is coming A. Vowel sound is coming. When vowel sound is coming, so we use an. MP, an MA, an MA here. Sorry, an MA, and we have written MP. A sound is coming. We have to write an. PhD. Here vowel sound is not coming, so is A. When vowel sound is coming in abbreviation, so that time we can use an. When vowel sound is not coming, that time we use A. BA. BA. Here B sound is coming. B. Not vowel sound is coming, so we use A. So one thing remember, if vowel sound is coming, we can use an. If vowel sound is not coming, we can use A. This is the most important thing. Use of the. Use of the before a noun when we want to make it particular. Like, I have read the book. I have read the book you are talking of. Here so many books are there, but we are not talking so many books. Here we are talking that whatever you are saying. So we can use the. Let us walk towards the front gate. Let us walk towards the front gate. So many gates are here, but we are not talking so many gates. We are talking the front gate. So in this type of in this case we use the. With superlative. With superlative. Before superlative degree, we use the. Like, for example, the sweetest song. Sweetest is the superlative degree. So before superlative, we use the. The most intelligent student. The most intelligent students. So this most intelligent means superlative degree. So before superlative degree, we use the. So when we see superlative degree is there, so we use the. Next, with such word as first, last, next, only, same, following, previous, the last bench, the only son, the next house. So in these cases we use the. See, I have written the last bench, the only son, the next house. But some cases we do the is not used like this. But some cases, but the is not used with such expression. Like, for example, the last night, last week, last month, last year. Before this we not use the. So remember this. This is the different. The next week. Next week we can't use the. Here also. Last night we can't use the. That is why I have written. But the is not used with such expressions. For example, as last night, last week, last month, last year. Next week, next month, next year. Okay? Remember it. Next. All are very important. This is the basic concept. Next, with a common noun, when that noun represent the whole class. With a common noun, when that noun represent the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The dog represent the whole animal. So in this case we use the. The elephant has a remarkable memory. So in this case we use the. With such noun as earth, moon, sun, sky, etc. These things are the only one of their kind, but they are not a proper noun. In this case we use the. With the name of rivers. With the name of rivers. With the name of rivers. The Ganga, only one. The Mahanadi, only one. Seas and ocean. Before seas and ocean, the use the Arabian Sea. the Indian Sea, mountain range, the Himalayas, the Alps, the direction. Four directions are here: east, north, west, south. So before direction we use the east, the north, the west, the south. Sorry, again I am explaining the direction. Four direction we know: east, north, west, south. So before direction we use the east, the north, the west, the south. So these are the important things. So remember it.